In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your funds from Gemini to another exchange. I love Gemini because it's very simple to use, and it is showing they've been adding a lot more cryptocurrencies on here. I remember Gemini only had about maybe 10 to 15. Now they have several. So if you don't have an account already for Gemini to start investing into this market, click on the link below in the description box. Go ahead, sign up, get your Gemini account, and also you should be able to start investing right when you get to the account. So it's right at the bottom of this video. Now, right now, I'm going to see if I can transfer my funds, or actually my cryptocurrencies, over to another exchange. Now, the first thing you want to go ahead and do, you want to click on transfer at the top. So click transfer at the top, but also make sure you got something to transfer. Make sure you actually have funds to transfer. So first, I'm going to go to portfolio. So I'm going to go to portfolio. I'm going to look and see what transfers I'm eligible to actually transfer. So these four here, it looks like I can transfer these. Now I've got to make sure the bank is clear these as well, because think about with Gemini, it usually takes about 3 to 5 days to clear the funds over to your account from your bank. So I got to make sure these are cleared as well. But if they are cleared, then I'm able to start transferring this over to another exchange. So let me go ahead and click on transfer. And you want to withdraw from Gemini right there. And then the next thing you want to go ahead and do, you want to go ahead and select your currency. I am USD. That's usually the currency I'm working on. And here are the cryptocurrencies as well. You actually can use the cryptocurrency things as well, but we're just going to use USD, the fiat currency. Now right here it says pending transfer of $138. So just like I was talking about before, you got to make sure the deposit usually takes 4 to 5 days, business days to clear. So I have to wait until this clears before I can transfer this. But once it's eligible to transfer, I'll click on continue and then select destination. That's when you'll select your actually address. So if I was trying to transfer, let me go back. So if I was trying to transfer Orchard, right? So if I was trying to transfer Orchard, which is OXT, right? What I would want to do is go to, let's say I'm trying to transfer this to Coinbase. I'll go to Coinbase, and then I will go to send and receive. And then I want to be able to receive, I understand. Hold on, let me go. Let me see this. Let me see. Send and receive. I need to go Orchard. Let me go there. And then we understand. And then here, you'll take this address, actually right here. I think I did that backwards. Let's see. There we go. So yes, so then I'll take this address because I'm trying to transfer it over. Then I will go to transfer, withdraw Gemini, and I'll select my currency, USD. If this cleared, then my select destination would be the actual destination of me transferring to. So you can do this on your mobile device as well. You can download the Gemini app or from your app store, your Play Store, and your actually Android phone, and then your app store for your Apple, for your iPhone. So select destination. I would just go ahead and paste that in there, and then an amount, and then withdraw. So that's how you would do that. It's very quick and very quickly easy to do that. If you're trying to deposit something into Gemini, it's very simple as well. You'll select your currency, and then you'll have your bank or your wire transfer. You can do this and then transfer. This is your bank account. Then you'll go ahead and set that up, continue. Then you hit your amount that you want to transfer to your Gemini account. Then you'll go ahead and review. So if I click continue there, it's going to ask me, okay, how much money do I want to send from my bank account to my Gemini account? So that's really simple, easy. If you want to withdraw, that's what's good for wherever withdraw from your Gemini. Same thing we just did here. Just make sure this withdrawal, this is clear from your bank. Select destination. That's when you will put your actual information, your address. You should be able to put your address into there, and then amount that you want to go ahead and withdraw and enter into, and that's pretty simple to do. So it's really easy to do. Gemini is really good. I really like Gemini Exchange. They really added some different things on here as well. and they've added more actually assets on here, so you're able to do. So sometimes I transfer funds from here to Coinbase. You know, Coinbase is like obviously the largest, one of the largest, you know, exchanges out there, maybe the largest exchanges out there in the US, in the USA. So take a look at that, guys. Make sure you have a Gemini account. Click on the link in the description box. Go ahead and open up your free Gemini account. It's really simple and easy to use. It's very user friendly, and I like their mobile app. Their mobile app is really cool as well. All you got to do is go to the Play Store, type in Gemini, and you should see the logo that looks like this in Gemini Exchange. Download that app. The app, if you got an iPhone App Store, the Android, the Play Store, type in Gemini, download that, and you can get right access to all this as well when you open up your free account as well. So my name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. And it's really simple. I'll do another video once this gets cleared. Once this gets clear, I'll do another video and show you exactly how it works. But I wanted to show you exactly how this was done, and this is what I'm trying to transfer over. So once this gets cleared over, I'll do another video and we'll do the whole entire thing. All right, I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to sign up for your free Gemini account, and I'll see you on the next video.